In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the RTP control protocol, also called RTCP. The RTP control protocol is a sister protocol that goes along with the real-time protocol, and the real-time protocol is used for streaming audio, streaming video, and it actually carries the media for the particular session that's in progress, whether it's audio or whether it's video. Along with that streaming audio or video, we need to be able to carry data about the stream, and so that's what RTCP is for. RTCP is there to provide statistical information and quality aspects and provide information about the session itself. As a result, we end up with a session layer protocol. And the session layer protocol is for session checkpointing and recovery, and it allows different streams of media to be able to be combined in cases where maybe you've got different sources of media from different locations. So let's take a look at the RTCP. I've actually got a whole call here. This is a H.323 call, and H.323 is a voice over IP protocol that's responsible for signaling. Along with the media here, we can just do a filter on RTCP, and here's an RTCP packet. This is UDP, and just like RTP is UDP because we want it there quickly, and we don't really care so much about whether they come in out of order or whether messages are dropped or not, because we're really concerned with just playing the media as we get it. So this is RTCP, the sender report. And you can see we've got the sender source, and we've got some timestamps, and then we've got sender's packet count and sender's octet count. So along with that, we get the source description. And we've got chunk 1, there's an identifier, and then we've got a type, which is a CNAME, and we've got text, which is out channel. And so you've got the session description here and statistics about the session itself. Because what we're talking about is a streaming media session, in this case streaming audio, we've got a protocol that's actually responsible for carrying information about the session, which is what lands it in the session layer of the OSI model. So we've got RTCP here, which is a session layer protocol. This happens to run over UDP. Typically what you'll find is RTCP runs in a paired port with RTP. So we've got a destination port of 5001, and probably we'll find a destination port for the RTP of 5000. And that's exactly what we find here. So we've got RTP, we've got a destination port of 5000, which means the RTCP is port 5001, and that's just kind of how they're paired. Often you've got the RTP on the even numbered port and the RTCP on the odd numbered port that's paired with it, and they're just the consecutive port numbers. That's RTCP, and again, that's just another session layer protocol.